Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming what you already control and what you lack. Open the resource map and mark states with oil, steel, rubber. Next, allocate civilian factories to build resource mines and refineries. Focus on nodes giving the biggest daily yield. Then, immediately check trade. Sell surplus manpower equipment or convoys to secure critical imports. Once done, queue repairs and construction. This ensures steady throughput and reduces import pressure while your economy ramps up. Now expand your logistics. Upgrade infrastructure in resource states to boost output and reduce supply loss. Prioritize rail and ports for convoys. Simultaneously, plan offensives or defensive garrisons to secure resource-rich provinces. Control equals production. Research and adopt industry or resource extraction techs, and complete national focuses that give resource bonuses. Make sure to coordinate convoys, naval control, and air superiority. Without protection, imported resources will be intercepted, negating your gains and slowing production. To finish, stabilize your economy. Rebalance factory allocation between military and civilian to maintain resource output while producing necessary equipment. Keep an eye on daily net figures and adjust trades. Replace expensive imports by conquering or defending states. If you still face shortages, build synthetic refineries and focus on doctrines or laws that reduce consumption. Troubleshooting tip: if resources drop suddenly, check convoy losses and strategic redeployments. Reclaim naval routes or refit convoys immediately. Loss of supply lines is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.